Hello everyone, hope everybody is taking good care of themselves as well as trying to keep themselves busy during this pandemic situation. Coming back to our Speaker Sunday series, until now we explored and learned a couple of things about public speaking skills. Currently we are discussing the fourth quality or the fourth skill, which is presentation skills. And as a part of that presentation skills, we explored three dynamics. First dynamic was effective body language. Second dynamic was attire. Third dynamic was repetition of some part of your speech or bring humor during the speech. And now today we will discuss actually the fourth dynamic towards the effective presentation skills. So when we think about it, actually whenever we are going to any public speaking event, we have to think that whether your audience is going to read or listen. So definitely when you're going to think about reading, there it comes to the PowerPoint deck. So if you are preparing the PowerPoint presentation, definitely that is something, the fourth dynamic of presentation skills. So when we think about PowerPoint presentations, I feel that it is very important to give the structure, like beginning, then the middle part and the end of the PowerPoint presentation, as well as it is very important to define what you want to cover in the PowerPoint deck, as well as once you have the points highlighted, you can give them some visual effects or visual aids to make it more effective and more engaging to the audience. So there are a couple of things always associated with the PowerPoint deck that I feel that it is better to have it abstract rather than too much content on the single slide, which is very hard for any person to read from that deck. So it's very important that you just highlight the points and talk more about that particular point rather than just reading out of that PowerPoint deck. So that is something for the PowerPoint presentation. Definitely you have to think about the audience first, and I would preferably would like to listen more from the public speaker, but there is sometimes it happens that more audience would be interested to see your effective PowerPoint presentations because they prefer to read the slides rather than listen to somebody, or they prefer to have the visual effects like some visual videos or demos to give them more knowledge or insights about that particular topic. So that is up to you, but definitely that is something I call it as the fourth dynamic, which is PowerPoint deck. Hope you can also relate to it. If you have anything to add to it, definitely you can anytime write to me on any of my social media platform, or you can just simply comment me on this video below. So thank you so much, and I think we almost covered some aspects of the public speaking skills. And as I mentioned in my last episode actually, that from going onwards we are going to decide one topic and I'm going to talk about it for 5 to 10 minutes. So hope you would be interested to look forward to that, and I'm looking forward to it, and let's see how it goes. So thank you so much for all your support and looking forward to the same in the future as well. And as always say, until we meet, happy leading. Let's live together. Stay safe. Bye for now.